Espiritu upang mapuspos ng di walang pagkabuhay ng iyong Iniluluhod namin ito sa pamagitan ng Yesu Cristo kasama ng sa magpasawalang lahat. Amen. Alam ng Ama at ng Anak at ng Espiritu Santo. Uli mo na.
Oh, what a day to be alive. What a dream to have a heartbeat. What a way to spend my time walking on this satellite. Everything I need is here and now. Look at how the colors dance around. I could give it all away for free, and would it even
Nag-recitation daw ba? Ano yung 5 reasons? Why are we here celebrating the baptismal of baby? And of course, the priest discussed that already this morning.
It is here and now. Look at how the colors dance around. I could give it all away for free, and would it even matter? 'Cause all I need is don't need anything but don't want anything but come and let it rescue me. 'Cause all I need is
Family, salamat at matigil. And at from my staff,
is here and now.
wala yung iba, wala kasi
Look at how the colors
And
dance
Chief, thank you.
I could give it
Galing po Thailand. And with your family.
and it wouldn't even matter.
And
'Cause
mamaya
all
kahit
I
ako magpapabusog
need
tayo.
is don't want anything but
Papatayin mo lang natin sila. same thing, we just want to thank everyone for coming. Sa family ko, sa family yan, at taga-office, of course kay Jeff, all the way from Thailand. At sa aming long lost friend, nandito ngayon. Sobra akong
Yes!
Surprise!
surprise. Nandito siya ngayon. And syempre, ang kapamilya sa lahat ng occasion, ang ating bunker at ang ating host. Thank you for coming.